Places that cannot be bought with money, some doors exist. Because they were built to never be opened. Close your eyes, just for a moment, and imagine this. You have all the money in the world. Not millions, not billions, everything. Banks don't question you. Governments return your calls. Private jets wait for you with engines running. Doors open before you even touch them. But there is one thing money has never been able to buy: access. Because in this world, there are doors that never open. Not for the rich, not for the powerful, not for anyone. Places erased from maps. Places satellites deliberately blur. Places where even curiosity is considered a crime. This video is about those places. Places you are never meant to enter. And by the end, you may realize an unsettling truth. Maybe these places aren't forbidden to protect their secrets. Maybe they're forbidden to protect us. 1. The Vatican Secret Archives, where truth is chained at the very heart of the Vatican. Beneath centuries of stone and silence, there is a place few have ever seen. For decades, its name was whispered: the Vatican Secret Archives. Officially, the name has changed, but in reality, it was never truly opened. Behind these walls lie over 85 kilometers of shelves, endless corridors of documents, letters, confessions, not legends, records, letters, records, letters, written by kings begging for forgiveness. Trial transcripts that shaped the fate of nations. Documents capable of rewriting history. Some are more than 1,000 years old, and access granted only to a handful of selected scholars under strict supervision, for limited time, and only within approved topics. No photos, no copies, no unauthorized questions, because some truths are not dangerous when they are hidden. They are dangerous when they are understood. 2. Area 51, a secret that fell from the sky in the Nevada desert where nothing should exist. There is a place surrounded by fences, cameras, and silence. Area 51. Officially, it's just a testing site. Unofficially, it's a legend. A place where the US government tested aircraft so advanced they didn't even look human. At least, that's the official explanation. Those who get too close are watched, warned. And if they continue, they are stopped. No trials, no headlines, just silence. What really happened in 1947? Did something fall from the sky? Or is the truth even stranger than aliens? We don't know. And that uncertainty is exactly the point. 3. Svalbard, the world's last memory far to the north, beyond civilization, buried deep inside a frozen mountain. There is a vault, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. It doesn't protect wealth, it protects life. Inside are millions of seeds from every corner of the planet. Rice, wheat, corn, entire ecosystems reduced to silence. Why? Because humanity plans it for its own failure. If war destroys agriculture, if climate collapses ecosystems, if pandemics erase food sources, this door will open. But until then, it remains sealed. A reminder that even at our strongest, we don't fully trust ourselves to survive. 4. North Sentinel Island. Those who reject humanity in the Indian Ocean. There is an island untouched by time. North Sentinel Island. Its inhabitants have lived there for thousands of years, completely disconnected from the modern world. They do not trade, they do not communicate, they attack. Helicopters are met with arrows, boats are chased away. Why? Because they understand something we forgot. Not every outside contact is progress. The modern world, with all its technology, medicine, and money, is a threat. And here, money has no value, but only distance does. 5. The Lascaux caves touch IT, and IT disappears in France, hidden underground. Humans left messages 17,000 years ago. Paintings not primitive, not simple, masterpieces. But when modern humans discovered them, we made a mistake. We breathed. Our presence changed the air. Bacteria grew, pigments faded, history began to die. So the caves were sealed forever, and a replica was built, because the original truth was too fragile for human curiosity. 6. Bohemian Grove, where power whispers in California. Deep inside redwood forests, there is a place cameras are never allowed. Bohemian Grove. Once a year, some of the most powerful people on earth gather there. Presidents, CEOs, military leaders. They wear masks, they use only first names, no records, no press. What do they discuss? Officially, art and philosophy. Unofficially, no one knows, but history has a pattern, and power prefers privacy. 7. Metro to the escape plan beneath Moscow, beneath the subway millions use every day. There may be another world. Metro 2, a secret network of tunnels built for one purpose: survival. If nuclear war breaks out, leaders disappear underground. Food, power, communication, everything prepared. Not for the public, for the chosen. And you were never meant to even know it exists. 8. The restricted zones of Mecca, a border. You can feel some borders are not guarded by weapons. They are guarded by belief. In Mecca, certain areas are accessible only to Muslims. Not because of politics, not because of power, but because of faith. Money cannot buy entry. Influence cannot bend the rule. Some places are not meant to be conquered, only respected. The world teaches us that everything has a price, but that is a lie. Some doors remain closed no matter how rich you become. Maybe these places are forbidden to protect their secrets. Or maybe they are forbidden because humanity has proven again and again that it cannot be trusted with everything. And the most dangerous thing in the world is not what we don't know. It's what we might do if we did. If this video made you think, subscribe.